Question that we've been asked is what are some of the bookkeeping documents that I need to keep on a regular basis so that, like, if I'm audited or something like that by the law society, I can, showcase it. Now, all bookkeeping guidelines documents are under accounts. So, first and foremost, you go under accounts, and then you do document generation, ledger, and you do a client trust and a general. For generally the last 6 months would be a very ideal thing, or you can even do like from start of a year. You can do that. So you can choose either a date range and go back by 6 months and do a trust ledger, and similarly you can do a general ledger for that same period. Another important document that you need to have is reconciliation statements. And in new law, you can go back and produce reconciliation statements. So for that, you go to balances, trust, and you'd keep choosing the end of the month. Like, for example, you can choose July the 31st and you would do a download. Similarly, you would go back and pick June the 30th and do a download. And you would do this for about 6 months and have all those documents as well outlined for them. On top of it, the Law Society is interested in fee books. So you can always go to document generation, fee book, and then generate, say for a past quarter or for a yearly period, you would generate your fee book. Other documents that can be of interest is journals. Like, for example, you can do trust ledger, trust receipts, and general receipts. And I also insist that you do trust payments and general disbursements are some of the documents that are useful to generate as well. It's also a good idea to have a pro bono capture for the last 6 months or last year. And finally, I would also do an invoice balance statement that would kind of highlight the aging of the invoices. An expense book is also not a bad document to keep, so that way you kind of showcase how your expenses are being captured. And so all these documents kind of will highlight to your auditor how meticulously you've been capturing your data and how you've been maintaining stuff. So to summarize, trust ledger, client general. In journals, it'll be receipt trust and receipt general, and in payments it will be payments trust and general disbursements. You'd also do a fee book, expense book, and under other you would do pro bono and invoice balance. And finally, you would do reconciliation statements by doing balances trust for the last 6 months you should have